Cotton. Stage 1. The original Organic Swaddle is within Stage 1 of 3 in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. It's perfect for your newborn who is not yet rolling over and likes to be swaddled with their arms in approximately 0 to 6 months, but every baby is unique. Soft and comfortable. The SwaddleMe Original Swaddles are made out of soft fabric, 100% organic cotton, for ultimate comfort. Plus, they are machine washable. Safe and secure. The secure design of this swaddle blanket creates a cozy, womb-like feeling for baby and prevents startle reflex that can wake your infant. Size small, medium. The SwaddleMe Original Swaddle in small, medium fits 0 to 3 months, 7 to 14 pounds, up to 26 inches. SwaddleMe Sleep Stages. This original swaddle is for newborns in the first stage in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. When baby starts showing signs of rolling over, then it is time to transition to Stage 2. SwaddleMe Original Swaddle Adjustable Infant Wrap has secure hook and loop closures for easy, safe swaddling. We know that when baby sleeps better, you sleep better, and our full line of wearable sleep products has been designed and tested to keep babies snug, safe, and comfy every night throughout their first year. Safer sleep. Brighter days. Maximum height recommended up to 26 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Great. These are a great, lightweight alternative to the one the hospital gave us to take home. Which is also super great. But only good for sleep at night in our room that hubby likes to keep freezing as it's so thick. Great for a wriggly upset baby that doesn't want her binky, and was already fed and changed, and is already being held. Seemingly durable material.